In this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on AC Buy. Before we get started, it's important to keep in mind that shipping discount coupons can only be applied to international shipping fees. To begin, log into AC Buy and navigate to your profile by clicking the profile icon. From there, select Wallet, which is located below your account details. Inside the Wallet section, you'll find the Coupons option. Here, you can paste your coupon code into the Redeem Coupon section and click Confirm. Once applied, the coupon will be added to your account automatically. You'll also be able to view available coupons directly in this section. Each coupon shows important details such as usage limits, eligible shipping methods, supported countries, expiration dates, minimum spending requirements, and how much discount you'll receive. You can easily switch between available coupons, used coupons, and expired coupons to keep track of what you have. When you redeem a coupon, it will automatically apply to the next eligible purchase you make as long as it meets the coupon requirements. That's pretty much all there is to using coupons on AC Buy. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can help you save money on international shipping. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.